So you have read through the Web 2.0 guidelines and you have decided that, yes, submitting a new tool request for PIA, or Privacy Impact Assessment, is appropriate. The first thing you want to do is see if someone has already filled out the PIA for the tool you wish to submit, and whether the tool has been accepted, unaccepted, or is still pending. To check the status of the tool you are interested in, click on Web 2.0 Tools link in the ILC website. Here you can see the drop-down lists of accepted, unaccepted, and pending tools. These are updated automatically with each submission. Tools that are pending are tools that are currently being assessed. If your tool is listed in the pending section, check back in a few days to see if its status has changed. Then proceed accordingly. We endeavor to assess submissions within 48 hours, though this varies from tool to tool. The unaccepted tools list will provide the reason for the unaccepted status. Users of unaccepted tools must do so with caution, as the CBE does not support the use of this tool with students for a number of reasons, including terms as outlined in the terms and conditions of the tool, potential for harm or damage to student data or privacy, etc. The use of unaccepted tools requires the approval of the school principal and likely further notification of consent by parents. Accepted tools are tools that have been approved for use within the board and will typically have modifications to be made listed with them. Modifications are considerations you have to be aware of when you are using the tool. It is important that you review them before making the decision to go ahead with using the tool. You should also note that each accepted tool has an expiry date. This means that after this date, the PIA must be renewed. We will talk about the renewal process in the video Renewing Your Request for a Web 2.0 Tool. If your tool is listed in the accepted list, you can use this existing PIA. Clicking this link will take you to a form where most of the information is pre-filled out and you only need to submit your information on it. Once you have done this, you can go ahead and use the tool. Again, don't forget to consider any of the modifications to be made with its use, listed in the tool summary. If your tool is not listed anywhere, you must submit a new tool. This link will take you to the Web 2.0 request for a PIA form. Complete the online version, which must be completed in a single session and can take up to 45 minutes, so please allot the time to finish it. To support the process, you can download the PDF version and save it to your desktop as a working copy for when you complete the online version. Please keep in mind that you can only submit one tool per PIA and you must click Submit at the end for the submission. As you go through, please carefully consider each of the questions and sections. This will assist you in ensuring that you have made an informed decision in choosing to use the tool. At the end of each page, click on the button at the bottom to save your entries prior to moving on to the next section. Once your PIA has been completed, you will get an auto-generated email letting you know the final status of the tool and, if accepted, what modifications to it might need to be made. At this point, you can use the tool through to the expiration date, at which time you will be contacted to remind you to renew your request. Please see the video Renewing Your Request for a Web 2.0 Tool for details on this. Thank you.